If this image reminds you of McDonald's or this from Coca-Cola, congrats! You had just experienced the magic of semiotic branding. Now you're probably wondering why these brands live rent-free in your head. It's not just about logos, flashy ads, or catchy jingles. It's how brands use colors, symbols, and aesthetics to make you feel something before you even realize it. That is semiotic branding at its finest, creating instant recognition without you even thinking about it. And while corporations have mastered this for decades, here is when it gets juicy. What happens when celebrities, influencers, or singers start using the same tricks? That is when we enter the main character era. Let's play a game. Who pops into your head when you see this? Billie Eilish, right? Chances are you knew it instantly. How about this? Or this? You even recognize Charli XCX even though the colors and the font had nothing in common. Spooky, isn't it? But here is when it gets even more fascinating. Semiotic branding isn't just about looks. It's about embedding itself in your subconscious that even tiny details can make a huge difference. Let me give you an example. Which one of these is scream Lana Ray? And which one is totally Sabrina Carpenter? Easy. Lana has that dark, vintage, tumblecore energy, while Sabrina has a sweet, playful, coquette energy. They might seem similar at first, but their fans could tell them apart in their sleep. So, how do celebs pull this off? What is their secret formula for becoming pop culture icons? Let's break it down. The signature hairstyle. A signature hairstyle is a cheat code for instant recognition. Billie Eilish neon green roots, iconic. Marilyn Monroe platinum blonde curls, timeless. Ariana Grande high ponytail, you already know. Hair isn't just hair, it's a branding tool. Billie, for example. Dark grungy hair, edgy rebellious Billie. Blonde bombshell all Hollywood, grown-up Billie. Natural brown, stripped down, authentic Billie. Her entire brand evolves through hair. It's basically the Pokemon evolution of celebrity branding. The signature color. If I say purple, who you think of? Olivia Rodrigo. If I say red, Taylor Swift. Color isn't just about outfits, it sets an entire mood. Sabrina Carpenter plays with soft pastels to give that playful, dreamy aesthetic. Charli XCX turned one shade of green into the whole Brad Summer movement. Beyonce Renaissance era, silver, chrome, futuristic, disco inspired. Picking a signature color tells the world, this is my vibe, this is my aesthetic. And suddenly, people start associating everything in that color with you. Sensory branding, aka the Sabrina Carpenter espresso effect. This is next level genius. Sensory branding isn't just about looks, it's about turning a brand into a full-on experience. Sabrina Carpenter didn't just drop espresso, she made sure you could smell it too. Espresso-scented perfume, short and sweet smoothie collabs, espresso-flavored shakes. Turn a song into a sensory experience. And now, every time you smell coffee, who pops into your head? Yes, Sabrina. That is marketing at its finest. So what is the big takeaway? Celebrities aren't just selling music or movies. They're selling a vibe, a mood, a whole emotional experience. Every little detail, color, font, and even perfume is part of a bigger branding strategy that gets them to live rent-free in your head. If you made it this far, I love you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into personal branding, internet culture, and social media marketing.